Sonny's down. Good boy. Hey, we're at Fluffy's. She just finished her chewable flea and tick treatment, and we'll be getting cat treats in a moment. Cat treats are down. Her dry food dish was located. Morning. Water dish emptied, rinsed out, refilled. A couple handfuls of dry food into the dry food dish. Well, it looks like you're finished up with the cat treats, and you're going to go have your breakfast, huh? Let's go, Fluffy. Oh, did you find another treat? Okay, let's go. And at Whispering Hills Ranch on the Golden Tree, which doesn't have many golden leaves left at this point, we have one of their peacocks. We're at the Lutheran Church and Collie is here. Jay's putting her food and cat treats down in the back parking lot on the cement curb. She's waiting. Big stretch. Go ahead. Okie dokes. Well, we have Marvin and Mavis, the mallard ducks, here at the Arroyo de las Coaches stream again this morning. We never know when they show up if they're going to be here for just one day or maybe a few days. And the waterfall is right there. We have CC at the back area of Aliso Adobe Park this morning. Maybe he's starting to figure out if he doesn't show up early enough, the birds are going to eat his breakfast. Jay's slowly walking over where he's going to put down the food for CC, so he'll probably retreat a bit, as I suspected. That's more than just a bit. He's actually where I need to put food down for the songbirds at the back area. But if I approach now, he's going to take off. See what happens if I slowly walk over. He left the wall so I can go over and put food down.
Guess I'm still too close, so I'll back off some more. After a considerable wait, he finally approached the food. But as you can see, he's not underfed. So he's got another benefactor elsewhere.
I've watched this red-tailed hawk fly in and land on the cross of the church that's next door to Albusa Dobie Park. Just a short video. On our return trip, Collie is still here at the Lutheran Church near the back parking lot. Well, she at least got up and moved to this location. And Jay's put down the treats, so we're just going to head on and she can eat them as she wants to. Back at Fluffy's. Yeah. More cat treats down. Okay, cat treats are gone. Jay just put the entire container of mealworms down he can pick.